from Sarah with love. She got the letter she's dreaming of. She never found the words to say, but I know that today she's gonna send her letters to you from Sarah with love. She took your picture to the stars above, and they told her it is true. She could dare to fall